Welcome back to Boo's Clues. Today we are working on group number 5. Group number 5 has a digraph in it. This digraph is the 2 letters O, O. But there's 2 different sounds.
This is a tricky one.
This one we're going to have to really look at. So we're going to work on it together. So, O, O. Ooh, 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 ooh. But here's the trick. O, O makes this sound. There's 2 sounds. It's like a cuckoo clock. The sound I'm listening for, listen. Ooh, ooh. Have you ever seen a cuckoo clock? A cuckoo comes out of the clock and it goes, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, long O, ooh, 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 ooh. See here, listen for the long O, ooh, 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 ooh. Just like a cuckoo clock, ooh, ooh. Can you hear it? I bet you can. Okay, so we're gonna do long O first. Long O words, we're going to identify. Identify long O words. Ooh. Ready? I hope you can help me. Sometimes I get mixed up. I'll be like, Miss Leona. Here we go. Spoon. Okay. Long O. Oon. Ma-oon. Your action is ooh. Have you ever seen these? When Miss Leona was little, I got chased by one of these on the farm. He was a mean, angry rooster. Rooster. He did not like me at all. I know. What's not to like? We go. The plants have roots. I like to have these on my birthday. Sometimes even my friends will surprise me with a balloon. I wash my hair with shampoo. Can you hear the sound? Miss Linda, do you hear it?
I hear it.
Here we go. I like to eat my food. Sometimes they say that Eskimos way up north live in igloos. I've never seen one, but when I was little, I tried to make an igloo in my backyard here in Canada, and it didn't work very well. It was like a big pile of mush. Ugh. Here we go. I wear my boot. Okay. What's that? He has a tooth. And I saw one of these. Have you seen one? He is a kangaroo. Have a quick look at long O. Ooh. Just like the cuckoo clock when he goes forward. The cuckoo clock goes ooh, ooh. Ooh. The forward action is ooh. The sound, ooh. Now, ready? We're going to scooch over just a little bit, Miss Linda. And we're going to go over short. O. Ooh. So this one goes ooh, ooh. Last one was ooh, ooh, ooh. We're listening for this one. Ooh, ooh. Right? Ready? Here we go. A few items that have ooh in them are short O, foot.
Oh, I see. So you don't say oot.
We don't say foot. Do we say I walk on my food? No. Oot. Okay. Ba-ook. Ah, you see it now. Long O, short O. Here we go. Do you help your mother cook? Ook. Ook. Okay. A dog says woof. Oof. A puppy says woof. Oof. Oh, Miss Leona does a lot of this because Miss Leona is old and I lose things all the time. And I look. I look for them. Sometimes I even lose my keys.
Is that when you say you lose your keys?
I lose.
Is that a long O or a short O sound?
Oh, good job, Miss Linda. Right. Lose my keys. When I go fishing, sometimes I use a hook. Today I want to make some cookies. Here, if I'm going to build something, I will use some wood. Here. Oh, Miss Linda uses lots of this when she is knitting. She uses wool. Here we go. And Little Miss Red Riding Hood. Little Miss Red Riding Hood wore a hood. Oh, hood. Have a quick look, Miss Linda, at our short hood. So today we are studying long O, ooh, short O. Oh, ooh, 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 ooh. Listen. Ooh, 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 ooh. Good job. Remember, 2 letters. This is a digraph. It's like 2 letters. Ooh, 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 ooh. Come together and they make one sound. We are going to write. Oh, Miss Leona, what did you do with your pen? Miss Leona forgot where she put her pen, and I have to look all over for it. Oh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ready? Start at the top. Around. Ooh. Long O, ooh, just like a cuckoo clock. And the cuckoo clock goes like this. Ooh, when he sticks his head out of the clock. Ooh. Thank you for joining me here today on Boo's Clues and doing group number 5. Long O, short O. Ooh. I will see you later. Ooh. Bye.